Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve like After Effects. The Fusion page is where the magic happens, offering a robust node-based environment for all your motion graphics and visual effects needs. While it operates differently from After Effects layer system, you will find its power comparable, allowing for incredibly intricate compositions. Think of each node as a distinct operation, giving you precise control over every element in your project. Keyframe animation in Fusion is straightforward and intuitive. Simply select your element, navigate to the inspector, and activate keyframes for properties like position, scale, or rotation. Adjusting these values at different points on your timeline creates dynamic movement. For a professional touch, use the spline editor to fine-tune your animation curves, creating smooth ease-in and ease-out transitions that elevate your motion graphics from good to great. Fusion's node library is vast, but you will frequently use core tools like the Merge node, Transform node, and Text Plus for most projects. The Merge node allows you to layer elements, much like stacking layers in After Effects, with various blend modes. The Transform node gives you full control over an object's position, rotation, and size. With Text Plus, you gain powerful tools for creating and animating text, including built-in effects and modifiers. To maximize your efficiency in Fusion, always strive for a clean and organized node tree. This makes complex projects much easier to manage. Consider creating custom macros for node groups you use often, turning multiple steps into one quick action. Remember, mastering Fusion is a journey, not a sprint. Consistent practice, even for just 10 or 15 minutes each day, will significantly improve your speed and creativity within this powerful environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.